am my own colour, that's easy and bold, and Castleton Corner, I'm very well known. In Newcastle West I spent many an odd with Kitty and Judy and Mary. My parents rebuked me for being such a rake and spending my time in such frolicsome ways. But I'll never forget the sweet natures of Jane, how as far me should on a cry. My parents, they taught me to shake and to sow, to plough and to harrow, to reap and to mow. My heart would be airy to drop it so low. I set out on a high speculation. On paper and parchment they taught me to write. In Euclid and grammar they opened me eyes. But in multiplication in truth I was blank. On the thought me choose multiplication. If I chance for to go to the town of a dinner, the girls around me do flock in the square. One brings me a bottle and lovely sweet cake for to treat me unknowns to their parents. There's one from Ashcaton and one from the Pike, another from Arden, me heart has been guiled. Though being from the mountains, her stockings are white, and his father he should run the town. To fall over riches I near was inclined, but the greatest of misers must leave them behind. I'll purchase a cow that will never run dry, and I'll milk her by twisting her horns. John Dale or Shonell had plenty of gold, Lord Devonshire's treasure was 50 times more. And his lady was dark among metals and stones, of his father he should not. This cow she will feed without clover or grass. She sing that? Okay. Oh, this cow she will feed without clover or grass, for she's pampered on barley, good corn and hops. She's warm and she's stout and she's free in her paps, and she lives without spancel or halter. The man that will drink it in cock is carbine. If anyone coughs, there'll be wigs on the green. And the feeble old hag will get supple and free. August father he should not touch it. If I chance for to go to the town of Rathkill, the girls all around me will flock on the square. Some bring me a bottle, others sweet cake, for to treat me unknown to their parents. There's one from Ashcaton and one from the Pike, another from Arden, my heart has beguiled. Though being from the mountains, their stockings are white, and my father he should not touch it. There's some says I'm foolish and some says I'm wise, but being fond of the women I think there's no crime. For the son of King David had 500 wives, and his wisdom is highly regarded. I'll tell the fine guarded and live at me is, each woman and child will partake of the same. If there's war in the cabin, themselves they may blame, others for the mean should not touch it. And now for the future I mean to be wise, and I'll send for those women who acted so kind, and I'll marry them all, brave man, in the morn by and by, if the clergy agrees to the bargain. When I'm on my back and my soul is at rest, these women will crown for the cry at my wake, and their sons and their daughters will offer up prayers to the Lord for the soul of their father. Others for me should not touch August father, me should not touch. Get better.